Hi, this is Julie Cole, the Church Administrator at First United Methodist Church, and I'm going to show you today how to receive and open your email giving statement. The first thing you need to do is make sure that we have your correct email address on file. Here's an example. This email address has been listed on file in our church database with this person, and that's the great thing. The second thing is you need to let me know, and you can do it by sending me an email, that you want to receive your giving statement by email rather than mail so that I can change it here. And for every email statement we send instead of mail, we save 49 cents in postage. So it's a really cool thing to do, and it's a great way to help the ministries. Once that's been done, then when it comes time to send out statements, and we generally send them out quarterly, we'll go ahead and send out statements to all those people who put email, and you will receive that email in your inbox when they're ready. So they've just gone out a few days ago, or yesterday actually, and in your inbox you're going to look for a address that comes from First United Methodist Church, and in the subject line it's going to say something like this: thank you for your gifts to First United Methodist Church, and you're going to double click on it to open it up. In that email you'll see a message. First of all, it'll say it's from First United Methodist Church, the date, and it'll have your name. There'll be a little bit of a message that's usually worth reading. In this case, how much money is we're giving out to various efforts. And you're going to look for this sentence that says, to see your PDF giving statement, please click here. Now, a PDF is a type of document. It's a format like a Word document. In this case, a PDF is an Adobe document. So you click there, and it will take you to this screen. Now, it's important to read this first sentence that says, in order to receive this email version of your statement, you need to have Adobe Reader on your computer or some other application that will read a PDF. Now, those are free softwares. You can download them. Most of you have those on your computer already. You use it many, many times whenever you open a document that somebody has emailed to you, or maybe you've downloaded something from a website. But if you don't have it, then you have to download it, and here's the place where you would do it, and you'd click there and download it. You should also make sure that it's updated, because ACS always uses the latest version of the Adobe software. Once you are sure that you have Adobe, or if you just want to just give it a test, you type in your email address that's on file with the church, and you can either view the statement or save the statement. In this case, we're going to view it, and you click there, and it will bring up your PDF version of your email statement. Now, this is what the top of the page will look like. Over here, it says that the dates of when this statement shows. So this is from January 1, 2014 to August 13th, 2014. It'll give you the page number and that it's an email plain paper statement. This will then list, in this case it's blank, but it will then list all the gifts that you've given to First United Methodist Church during the date up at the top, during this time frame. It will also mark against your pledges either for the entire year or for just the time frame, depending on what your statement says. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the note, unless otherwise noted, the only goods or services provided are intangible religious benefits. And this would be something like a book that you might buy. It is tax deductible because of the way in which we process the money. Now, this statement alone is in fact good for the IRS at the end of the year tax. But in this case, you probably wouldn't want to use this one because it doesn't give you the full year. And you'd probably want to wait until January when we send out the entire year of 2014 statements and use that as a tax statement. Now, if you're having any problems whatsoever with opening your statement, if you don't get this screen, then you've probably got one of four problems. You may have a problem with the Adobe software. Maybe it's not on your computer, or it's a much older version and you need to update it. You could also need to update your browser, and a browser is something like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Safari. You could have your firewall security software set too high, although that's probably not the case. Or your antivirus software might be set too high. Those are basically the only reasons why you might have a problem. But if you do have a problem, you're welcome to email me at this address, and I will give you a call and try to help you through it. You can always, if it's just too frustrating and you don't want to do it, you can always go back and let me know that you would like to receive your email statement, your giving statement by paper, and you just email me that and I will change and mail it. Or we can, if you want to receive it both ways, we can do it that as well. But that, of course, every paper statement costs 49 cents that we send out. So we're just trying to save as many of those dollars as we can so we can use them to ministry. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know and I will be happy to help you out. And thank you so much for everything you've done at First Church.